IACS is Institute for Advanced Computational Science here at Stony Brook University. We're looking to mine the rich fields that exist between disciplines, going from hardcore engineering all the way off into the arts and humanities. And IACS creates that nexus.
The root of my research is really to map out the wildlife of Antarctica. One of the major focuses of our research over the last 5 years is using satellite imagery to survey populations that otherwise we wouldn't be able to get to by looking for the guano stain, or actually the excrement that the penguins leave behind. Doing that requires massive investment in computing and storage because we have to collect all of the satellite imagery over all of the Antarctic. And in fact, we have hundreds of terabytes of imagery now that we're able to manipulate to find new penguin colonies. The tools that we develop for remote sensing imagery can be applied across computer vision, so biomedical imaging or other applications. And that by being within IACS, where you're meeting and working on a regular basis with people across different disciplines, we can draw those connections in a way that otherwise wouldn't be possible if I were just sitting within my own department and not seeing how that work connects to the work that other people are doing here on campus.
My research is about climate modeling. One of the biggest uncertainties is how carbon dioxide itself will change. In a warmer climate, plants may grow faster. That would take away carbon. On the other hand, frozen land would be free, and therefore more carbon can be released to the atmosphere, in addition to the human emission. And to understand this, typically the time scale is long, hundreds or even thousands of years simulations. This puts a huge demand on computing resources.
Students are really at the core of what we do here in IACS. Their success is our success. The National Research Training Program for graduate students, called STRIDE, is essentially taking students in data-rich fields of science, which is pretty much every field now. They're given access to lots of training resources and professional preparation. We've seen such a big impact on those students that we're actually now in the process of rolling this program to all students in IACS to basically benefit them. We were delighted when our anonymous endower came back to us with an additional donation of $6.5 million of current use funds. So these are funds that we can invest to essentially take IACS to the next level.